Assalamu alaikum. How are you, year one? This is Miss Sophia from Legacy School, and today we're going to have math lesson together. Remember last time we learned about division, and I'm back today as I promised you to do more of the division and practice more, so it's going to be so easy, and we will solve some problems in a fun way. Okay, are you ready? Remember, we said that division is the opposite of multiplication. In multiplication, we have two numbers. One is the number of the groups, and the other one is the number of items inside each group. When we multiply the two numbers, it gets us a big number, the total number, which is bigger than the two numbers. In division, we do the opposite. We start with the big number, the total number. Then we divide it into small groups. And each group has equal number of items. So if we know the number of groups, we find out the number of items in each group. And this is the result of the equation. Or sometimes we do it in other way. When we have a total number, a big number, and we want to divide it into small groups, and we know how many number we want in each group, then we find out the number of the groups that we need. So let's get started. Let's say we have 16 students in our class, and we want to divide them into two teams. So how many students should be in one team? Let's do it together. Here are the 16 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And here are the two teams. To do so, we're going to put one student in each team. One in team 1 and one in team 2. But we still have more of the 16. So we are going to add one more student for each team. One here and one here. But we still have more. We're going to add one student at a time. Students in team 1, in team 2, another one to team 1, and another one to team 2, another one, until we finish distributing all the 16 students between the two teams. Now let's count number of students in each team. Remember, we should have equal number in each team. Let's count students in team 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in team 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number of students in each group, in each team is 8. Now let's write it into division equation. We had 16 students and we divided them into two teams. We found out that each team should have 8 students. So 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Good job. Let's do another problem. If we have 9 children and we want to group them, each group are going to do jumping rope. 2 kids are going to hold the rope and the third one will jump. So we need 3 kids in each group. How can we do this? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the total of children that we have. And we want to put each 3 together. 1, 2, 3 in a group. 1, 2, 3 in a group. 1, 2, 3 in a group. And they are done. Let's count the number of groups that we have. How many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3 groups. Good job. Now let's write it into division equation. The total number is 9. We divide it by 3, which is the number of children in each group. How many groups did we get? 3 groups. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Good job. Let's do another one. If we have big bag of candies, let's count the candies in the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 candies in the bag. If you want to divide these candies between 4 people, how many should each one have? Let's try it. We're going to distribute the candies between them. First, we're going to give one for each one, but we still have left in the bag. So we're going to give another one for each, and another one, and another one, and repeat that until all the candies are distributed between them. Now we distributed all the candies and the bag is empty. Let's count how many candies does each one have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each one has 5 candies. Let's write it down into division equation. 20 candies divided by 4 people. Each one gets 5. Good job. Let's have another one to do. Another bag of candies. Let's count and see how many candies do we have this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 candies in this bag. This time we're going to distribute the candies into small plates. If we know that each plate can hold 3 exact candies, how many plates do we need to distribute all the candies? So now we know the total number of candies, which is 15, and we know the number of items in each plate. What we are missing is the number of plates. Let's do it together and see how many plates do we need. 1 plate with 3 candies, and we still have more candies. We're gonna bring another plate and put 3 candies in it. But we still have more candies. We're gonna add another plate and put 3 candies and another one until all the candies are gone. Now the bag is empty. Let's count the plates and see how many do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plates. Now we're going to write it down into equation. We have 15 candies. We divided them by 3. How many groups did we get? We got 5 groups. Good job. Let's do another problem. If we have 40 blocks, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We have 40 blocks and we want to divide them into small groups. Each group has 5 blocks, so we know the total number is 40 and the number of items in each group. We want to find out how many groups do we need to do that. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Group them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we still have left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now all the blocks are grouped. Let's count how many groups do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 groups of 5 blocks. So we have the 40 blocks. We divided them into groups that each group has 5 blocks. How many groups do we get? 8 groups. Well done. You are doing great in division. So let's continue having fun. Let's say we have 10 people are going to a restaurant. However, this restaurant has only small tables. Each table can have only 2 people to sit in. So we need to find out how many tables do we need to seat all the people. First, let's go and count people that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 people. They need to sit each 2 together. Let's seat them. 1, 2 in a table. 1, 2 in another table. 1, 2 in a table. We still have some left and not seated yet. 1, 2 in a table, 1, 2 in a table, and now they are all seated. Let's count the tables that we need to seat them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tables. Now we're going to write this into division equation. We have 10 people. We divided them into groups that each group has 2 people. How many tables do we need for them? 5 tables. Good job. You are amazing, you won. Now we're going to do a very simple one. If we have 4 people, we want to group them by 2. Each group has 2 people. How many groups do we need? 1, 2 in a group, 1, 2 in another group. How many groups did you get? 1, 2, 2 groups. Good job. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. That's good. The last one. It is very, very, very simple. If I have 2 candies and I want to divide them between my 2 daughters, how many do I need to give to each of my daughters? Let's do it. I'll give 1 for each one, and now they are gone. So how many did each one get? Only 1. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Good job. You did a great job solving the problems. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Looking forward to see you in next lessons. Have a good day. Bye.